welcome to the Gabriella Damaris show. Today, they're finally here! Shopkins. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! So, my mom got these, and here's the front. And here's the back. I'm so excited to open them. Here we go. Down to business. I get to open my shop. Whoa.
Finally, right?
Right. Yes, right. That's right. I get to have my Shopkins 3 and 1.
And this is still season 1.
Yep, season 1.
Season 2 is coming out soon, we hear. Hopefully that's true.
Yes! Except that I can't open my shop.
You're doing it. You're almost there.
Just need a little bit more.
Oh, and this is a 12 pack, right, Gabby?
Yeah, 12. Not 100 pack. Whoa.
Whoa, 100 pack, imagine.
Yeah, imagine that. Like, there was an old lady who swallowed a bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. But we're not talking about that story. We're talking about Shopkins. Here's the list. Oh yeah, I finally got, Soapy Bubble Pills, oh yeah, it's ultra rare. I didn't know I had a list. Whoa. How many do I have to collect?
148.
What? Are you out of your mind? Okay, so here they all are, and I'm gonna start with the fish stir. Okay, let me get this fish stick out. There we go.
Is that a special edition one?
Let me see. Fish stick special edition?
That's a frozen one, right?
Yeah. Wait, is it on this side? I think it's, I think it's on the other side. Yeah. So here's fish stick.
Cute. I like it.
Okay, Mom. So let's open the gum. Wait, let me open the salt before I do the gum. Ooh, the salt. Let me see. Salt. Okay, the salt one is rare.
Nice. Let's see it.
Now, let's open the little gum. Oh yeah, the cute little gummy. Let's get her out. Let's see. How do I? This one gummy. Pop it right down.
That's a gummy? Push it from underneath.
And
Let me see. Oops. There you go.
Suds
I
came
took
out.
a few out. It's okay.
Okay, I took all these 3. Okay, I'll do the gummy. Here's Gummo. Okay, now let's move on to the suds. Okay, suds. Here's suds. And suds is... I just saw suds. And it's...
She's cute.
Yeah, she's curly, and her name is Curly, and she is...
Her name is Curly. You sure?
She's common.
Okay. It's okay.
Well, here comes Pretzel Buddy. Oh yeah, look, he swirled. Ooh, cute.
Let's see. Nice.
Okay, let's get the eggy out. Oh yeah, the egg. Ah, eggy.
You're having trouble with these, huh?
Mm-hmm. Ew. Ah. Let me try the milk. No, I want to do this one. Yeah. Let's do this one. Here comes the strawberry.
It's cute.
Oh yeah. Down below. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you got a few more to go.
9,
So
11,
let's go through them.
12,
And then we
13.
can open the blind basket.
It's blind bag. It's almost
That
like
one is a basket.
Okay. Oh, let's get the little pepper. Oh,
let me help you.
Okay. Okay, so we got everything out crazy. Now let me start with the egg. Look at the egg. Oh. So cute. Oh my god, he just knocked the crowd out.
I like the egg. I love eggs.
He did. I don't eat it. Just kidding, because it's a toy. Okay, here's the pepper. Oh yeah, little cuppy pepper. Ooh, I want it down the chicken.
Is that the front?
Yes, that's it.
There we go.
Okay, let me do this juice. Here we are, juice.
That's a juice? What is that called? Let's see.
It's a gingerbread. Just kidding.
That is little sipper.
Little zipper.
Yeah, like sippy cup.
But little zipper. Oh. Here's chocolate milkshake. Oh yeah.
Let me see. That's
Chocolate
chocolate
milk.
milkshake?
I thought it was a chocolate milkshake. It's a chocolate milk.
And she is Flavor Ava.
Flavor Ava. Can I see it?
There you go. Right there.
Flavor Ava. Over there. Sorry. I just thought the breadsticks.
Nice.
Now the
All
blind.
right. Are you ready for the blind bag?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm totally ready. Let's see who we got.
Sit down.
Okay.
You're very excited, huh?
Yeah.
Been waiting a long time to have Shopkins.
Oh my lord, who's this? Ooh!
What did you get?
A donut! A donut.
It's a glittery one. Let me see. Oh my gosh. So cute.
Yes, it is. Now let's open this one. Oh, there's only 2?
So cute.
Let me open this one. I want to open it. So excited.
What did you get?
What did I get? Oh, Lord. I got... Who do I get? Who do I get? I hope it's peas. Whatever. Whatever it is, it's going to be shiny.
You think so?
I think, but I know it's not.
Okay, so the donut is Delish Donut, Gabby.
Delish donut?
Delish Donut.
I want to see it.
And it's ultra rare.
Ooh, let me see what this one is.
Ultra rare.
What is this one? I can see a little bit of it, but on its face. I got...
It's a frozen.
It's frozen.
It's a frozen.
I
What is it?
I thought it was spilt milk.
Oh no, that one's blue, silly.
It's not blue.
No, spilled milk is. Let's see. So cute. Wait, turn it back around.
Okay.
Get in focus.
Spilled milk. Just
That's
kidding.
not spilled milk. Don't confuse me.
Okay.
That's a cool cube.
What?
Cool cube.
A
And
cube?
it's
Ultra rare.
Special edition. All right, so you opened them all up, right?
Right.
And here's what you got. Let's fix this one. So, which one is your favorite, Gabby?
The donut.
Yay! I'm excited. All right, so that's everything for today, right?
Right. Don't forget to send a comment down below to say which one is your favorite. Okay, so I'm happy to have my Shopkins. So, I liked the donut because it looks so cute and yummy. Okay, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And bye-bye and have a great day. Bye-bye. $2.